Hello guys, my name is Rahul Dubey. I am studying Masters of Environmental Engineering in Hathaway, Dresden. I came in the winter semester last year and it's my second semester. I completed my bachelor's in 2014 and during my bachelor's I had environmental engineering as a subject.
Okay.
So I studied it for 2 semesters. So it genuinely created my interest in environmental sector. So I figured out and pursued my career in this field. Yeah, even when I was choosing, so my family members and some of the known ones, they were saying that you should go for a structural.
Yeah.
But I had interest in this field, and I also did like 2 projects in my engineering. So I wanted to pursue. A lot of environmental degradation is being going on, so I just wanted to study. Germany being the best in environmental sector, so I opted to come here. Well, talking about the examination patterns, it differs a lot because we have a regular structure of the examination, but here it's not in the traditional way, and the examinations are moreover like 15 minutes oral examinations, or many of them are presentation based.
Okay.
So that's really good. So it's different from our country, from India.
Yeah.
And talking about the course structure, I have 4 semesters spread in 2 years.
Okay.
So in the first semester, we studied among the major ones as climate change, engineering hydrology, and apart from this, we also had this scientific work and innovation in science and technology. And right now, I am studying groundwater management, water, air, and soil analysis,
Okay.
and virtual intelligence. We don't have any project semester, but yes, we have to make a master's thesis in the 4th semester. But as far as I know, that we can also opt for an internship with a company, industrial company, for completing our master's thesis. That's a good thing.
Okay. So
I think it's always good to have some experience before coming and joining a course, because it's gives you a broader perspective of the course, and you have a knowledge of something, and then you try to enter in this field.
Yeah.
So I also have 2.5 years of experience in India in a civil firm, so that really helped me. It's highly recommended that if you know some language, will be really good, like A1 or A2 level. But as far as getting a part-time job is concerned, it's not that tough. You can easily find an English speaking job, and it won't create that much problem. However, I would suggest that a little bit knowledge of the German language will be really good, really good. So when I came here, I had no idea about the health insurance, so it was very new to me.
Yeah.
But I came this thing by reference of friends who have already been here. So I opted for the public insurance, TK.
Yeah.
And although we have to pay a huge amount, that's 92 euros per month, but it's at the end of the day very good because it covers everything. For the students who are willing to opt Germany, I would say that it's a very beautiful place and it's a very nice country. They are giving plenty of opportunities, and they are really helpful and kind here, and it's a very nice place. So you should not get into a double mind state before coming here. Just focus on some initial German language skills, and that would be really helpful for the student. So coming to Europe and exploring it was a dream from childhood. So we have been watching it in movies.
Yeah.
But coming here was a very nice experience, and I explored like some 5 to 6 countries. It has been a beautiful experience, and it's still going on. For more updates about studying in Germany, please subscribe.